just got done with the hunt. We're over here cleaning these burrs. We're gonna put them into the meat grinder. And we've got a couple dinners planned for this week. We're gonna do spaghetti one night and then tacos another.
Y'all get ready this way. Shoot him, shoot him, shoot him, shoot him. Nice shooting, man.
So I can forget about you, but I know when I dream, I close my eyes and you're still here. What can my mind just...
All right, we got the geese cleaned. We got about 25 pounds of breast there. We're gonna be doing an 80-20 mix. So we've got pork butt here that we're gonna cut up to small pieces so we can add it to the grinder there with the goose breast.
I can't rewind, but if love were a friend of mine and I had the sands of time, would I still be unforgiven? Would I still be living through this kaleidoscope where the letters that you wrote and the pictures
Kill him, guys, kill him.
I hear they say it gets a little easier each day, but I can say I'm not one of the lucky ones to just move on.
All right, for our next step, we're gonna just lightly season. This one with the Sonora from the provider, and then this one with the Brit. Brit's gonna be for spaghetti, Sonora's gonna be for our tacos. We'll just lightly season these up, and then last step, we'll bag them up for dinner tonight and lock it up.
So I can find the words to say, just to let you know. When I dream, I close my eyes and you're still here. Why can't my mind just realize it's not you in my ear? All I know is I've gone crazy at least a dozen times, just trying to figure out why I can't rewind. But if love were a friend of mine, and I had a sense of time, would I still be unforgiven? Would I still be living through this kaleidoscope where the letters that you wrote?
Kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him. Nice Canada Goose hunting, man.
I'll be better someday. La da 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 da. I'll be better someday. La da 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 da. I'll be better someday. La da